In this video, we will walk you through how to use the new Polygon Report tool within the Generate Report tab. Polygons are a key part of mapping workflows. Our latest update makes it easier than ever to document and share your Polygon data with a simple exportable PDF report. So here's how it works. First, you need to draw your polygons as usual using the software's annotation tools. Second, you can go to the Generate Report tab in your Canvas menu and click Polygon Report. Then you can change your file name and select the appropriate unit of measure you would like to be exported. Next, you can checkmark whether you'd like to export only visible polygons, include polygon coordinates, as well as use only hand-placed polygon coordinates, and include notes page. If you do select this, a box will appear where you can input your notes. Then you can download and share. The software will then take images of your polygons and generate a report. Upon completion, you will be prompted to save the PDF where you would like. Please note that you are also able to export volume reports if you have grids with volumes drafted on your canvas. Also, if you prefer to draw your polygons in the 2D view mode, your polygon will appear below your mesh upon viewing it in 3D. To fix this, select the polygon, go to Modify Heights in the submenu, and then hit Sample Elevation. This will bring your polygon up to the correct elevation that your mesh is at. The PDF includes the project name and timestamp, project overview, coordinate system used and unit measurement, overview of entire model with polygons numbered, and a list of all polygons, including the name, measurements such as perimeter area and surface area, as well as coordinates of each point within the polygon with respective coordinates and elevation. Also included is a map preview of each polygon overlaid on your base imagery, as well as optional notes or comments on the last page if you've added any per polygon. This new Polygon Report feature brings clarity, consistency, and convenience to your workflow. Whether you're submitting documentation, collaborating across teams, or archiving site records, the software now gives you a fast, structured way to package your Polygon data, all in just a few clicks. Try it out on your next project and enhance your reporting process.